Here we go, doing a quick trip down to Ranch 99, which is probably like only eighth of a mile away from my house. So here's the terrain. Here we go, coming back from Ranch 99. It's been a pretty good riding day. Just coming through my view right here. Let's see how it's doing. I don't know if you can see that. It's in pretty good shape still. I'll probably put a video out there. You know, if you like to keep your stuff looking new, I got some tape that I put out on the unicycle, so you know what, if it keeps crashing, because you're gonna crash it no matter what, right? You're gonna have to learn. So I put tape there, and I'll let you guys know where it frequently hits, so you can kind of double up your tape and things like that. I know the 9-bot system comes with like bumpers. This one doesn't come with bumpers, but it comes with training wheels, so that's your if and ands. All right. So hopefully all the stuff that I'm doing helps out everybody else. All right. Bye. All right. Here we go. I'm right next to the bus station. That's where I'm going right now. It's easier to balance now. These sidewalks are pretty cool. Little unicycle's doing what it's supposed to do. I don't know if you can see the views behind me, but this is San Francisco. So hopefully everybody gets the tips today is make sure you know your ride level. Like as you know, in the city, the streets get pretty tight, right? So make sure you don't ride where you can't go left and right very quickly. So I pick big roads, or excuse me, wide roads, and that's how I've been doing it. All right, try not to embarrass myself. All right, see you guys later. All right, I'm over here riding around the bus station because I got 24 minutes to ride. And I thought I'd be able to give you guys a little tour of San Francisco on the unicycle. I've probably been to San Francisco already, but you know, this is what I really wanted to do. This is my reason why getting the Swagtron or unicycle was to be able to easily transport it in the city. So when I commute, I don't know if I've mentioned this, but when I commute, I have a bus that goes right in front of my condo complex, and it drops me off here at the bus station. And then from the bus station, I go ahead and here's an example. From the bus station, I can stop it, walk around. See how I'm walking right now? I'm just, you know, tagging along because I'm going through a crosswalk or whatnot. And then I'm going to go ahead and get on it right here, and then get back on the sidewalk, and then have an enjoyable little ride. So that's the reason why I got it. It's working out really well, you know. So when I go, I just go. Here's the famous San Francisco Muni buses. Buildings around me. Here's a nice building right here. Oh, you can see that. So this is San Francisco, and this is what I'm trying to do: commute, get to the bus station, about a quarter mile, and then I'm good. All right. Look at that construction behind right now. All right, just let you guys see more of the background as I'm cruising San Francisco. That little beeping, that's coming from, it's going past 9 miles an hour. So I have the Swagtron, that's what I'm rolling right now. And the Swagtron basically doesn't go past 9 miles an hour because it is basically legal to ride it where anybody's walking. Because if you're jogging, you don't go past 9 miles an hour. That is that's the kind of like the logic behind why it goes so slow. Now, it's 2018, and May of 2018, a lot of big manufacturers are going to release the things like the Z10 from 9-bot, and then you got InMotion's going to release something big, and then you have the, of course, King Song. King Song is one of the ones I've been looking at recently. King Song is the one that has I think they released it only in 2017, but the King Song S and the King Song V. So hopefully I get one of my wishes and able to go and get that, but we'll see. All right, so here goes San Francisco again. Hope you enjoyed.